Okay, so how was your day, Areeb?
Very great. It was a good day, but it ended very in a disappointing note because Lahore lost the match. So,
Okay,
being
so
diehard sportsman, it
I
was.
get that you're a PSL fan.
Yup.
Okay, so also adding on top of that, the weather is really good at Nast. So,
Definitely.
so we'll be conducting this interview, and Shahir will begin the questioning.
Sure.
So first, why don't we begin with a short introduction from your side?
Sure. My name is Zarib Rizwan. I am from batch 2K17 from ASAP doing BS Applied Biosciences and in the final year.
Okay, that's good. So why don't we begin with the question, Shahir? Increase the brightness.
If Areeb Rizwan was someone else and not you, would you be friends with him? And why?
You should be friend with me because I do feel I don't give up on friendship. Yeah,
Okay.
it is like I do feel कि अभी एक चीज़ में gap आना चाहिए कि like हर इतने efforting है, but I don't give up on anything just because I am more you can say helpful and also someone who encourage or motivates other and love to motivate others. This is I do feel is the most important thing when you are friend with someone.
Yeah, I think that's what you look
Yeah.
for in a friendship.
Absolutely, because that is a very positive trait if you wish the best for your friend as well.
Definitely.
So moving on, how would your close friends and family members describe you?
They call me a dead soul. I should say that.
Okay.
Why though?
Mainly because I listen to Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan and also I rarely speak about things which I am not interested.
I would disagree because we are not dead souls. We just have our own interests, right? We have
Definitely.
different interests.
Some people just like to feel that way.
Yeah.
Some people are just born that way.
Not born that way, but they're happy in their own little sphere.
Yeah.
It depends. For instance, if you talk about the marriages in the family, and I rarely participate in those marriages. Even the worst thing is, even if they insist me to perform a dance, I would say no. When I say no, it's totally no. That's why I do feel they call me a dead soul, as I'm totally or solely interested in sports.
You must be very unpopular in Pakistani families. Well, this is a very cliche question, but what do you admire most in other people?
In other people,
Yeah.
their inner beauty, that mostly matter to me, but it might have different meanings. Like inner beauty means that first day you meet someone and you feel that he's very much good, but next day you realize that he don't wants to interact with you, then I should give up on that person. But saying this, like even if you have a relation with someone for 2 to 3 years, still you are not finding comfortableness with that person, it means that he is lacking something or internally.
Well, yeah, I think some people just don't connect that way.
That is a really interesting observation because he just said that time does not matter.
Definitely.
The devotion matters. So I totally agree.
I
with
have a
that.
few friends. जैसे एक मेरा दोस्त है, मैं literally 1 घंटे मेरे उससे इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई कि ना
हाँ, ऐसे ही
we're
होता है।
really good friends now. Sometimes you just connect with other people.
Definitely.
That's what you mean, right?
Okay, so Areeb, what made you pursue this major?
I would be really honest. First of all, I wanted to be a doctor, pursuing MBBS, but later on, taking a gap year, and my father was an advisor counselor as well, so he encouraged me to look for applied sciences, knowing that it has a scope in future. The recent example of coronavirus, you want the scientists, like doctors can give you the surgery or the physician aspect of that coronavirus, but if you want the diagnosis and all those research, you need the person who is right for that, and scientists are there, and this is what my degree is all about. Like this is just an example, right? There are many other things as well, but I do feel that if you want to prove yourself, your matter, you should continue in the field in which you are pursuing. That doesn't mean if, for instance, you cannot get admission in the engineering institution, you should continue the same thing linked with your engineering or your curriculum, right? And same was my sense of humor those days as well. Like I wanted to prove myself in the same field. I don't want to change my field as well. But it was like you can say second option, not the first one. But now, alhamdulillah, I'm comfortable in this.
Well, comfort in your major matters a lot.
Yeah,
I
that
mean,
is the most important thing.
If an on-campus class gets cancelled, what do you do?
The first and foremost thing is to have a cup of tea because you can't live with that.
Chai is equal to comfort.
Yep.
All right. So, what are some of your favorite things about NUST and why?
The first and foremost favorite thing is it improves you as an interpersonal person. For example, I was someone who came from a cadet college background, and I was individually, I can say that, much improved person, knowing that I was self-motivated. All qualities you see in a cadet, right? So I wanted really to interact with people of the opposite gender. It was really hard for me to interact with them initially. Like, I can't even say hi to them or even interact with them in a full confident, even with the same gender as well. But coming to NUST through, I would say, we do feel that presentations don't help us, but they have helped me a lot, giving presentations, participating in a, I guess, debating competition way back in 2017. So, continue.
Yeah, please continue.
I give you an example. In that debating competition, I was the seer of the class, and they nominated me that you will be doing that because I was a debater during my college days. But I was not that much confident, knowing I participated in declamation, and it was a totally different thing, right? Declamation and participating in a debate is totally different thing, and that too with the people whom you are not comfortable with. Like, they're totally new people, and you don't know nothing about them, and especially the opposite gender, because I study in Solini and a boys institution. So that was something which encouraged me, knowing that although on that day I didn't participate properly, but after that there was an encouragement that I can do this and I should go for this. And repeatedly, as I've given the example of the presentation, there are many other participating in the societies, getting rejected in the society's interviews, but at the end of the day, seeing myself in the final year, I can say that interpersonally I have improved myself a lot.
That's really good to hear.
What season do you like the best in NUST?
What season do you like best in NUST?
You can say winter, because mainly because hostelite life of NUST is very good, and having a cup of tea with your friends in such a weather, you can see that it's great.
Yeah.
Summer, I can say, but because there is lack of hockey, like I am a good hockey player and I was also good hockey player during college days, and there is no hockey. Also, if you talk about cricket, there is just one stadium and just one nets. So maybe just because of that aspect, I can say that winter is much more exciting than the summer aspect, knowing that there is a bit of lack of facilities for the sports in which I am interested.
Well, there has been the introduction of the new
Sports complex.
sports complex.
Yes.
Thank you, Ali.
But there's this. I agree with you, because there's also a lack of like combat sports. For example, there's no boxing, there's no wrestling,
Definitely.
and one expects that from University of NUST status, right?
Exactly.
So we can agree on that. So Areeb, what's your favorite things you've eaten at NUST?
Anda Sham
Understand me from where?
True.
from C2.
True.
Is it that good?
It's
Yup,
good, bro.
it's too
good.
Being a
Every day, every
foodie,
night, I go.
being a
for it.
foodie, it's like it was my quest in the first few days of NUST to find the best things here. I had visited every place in NUST, Kaibo, Dreamville, in my first week. But finding about the Anda Shami, okay, both of you vouch for that.
Absolutely.
I vote
absolutely.
for that every day.
I will try that tomorrow, inshallah. Well, this is a tough one. Magla or Dreamville, and why?
Dreamville, can I give both? Or you need to select just one?
But it's fine. It's your answer.
Dreamville during the days when it was called The Walls, because the burger there was very fantastic and the fries as well. But these days when Margala was started, first of all, cost effective, mainly because I'm a chai lover. So the price of chai was less. You can have 3 to 4 cup of teas, and
Oh
it
my
was
God.
close to ASAP as well for
Okay.
on my department. So I can easily go even if there is a 30 minutes break. So I would vote for Margala these days.
Okay.
Well, I think the burgers of Dreamville aren't that bad. I mean, they're grilled burgers. We tried at Kentucky one day.
Yeah.
That was good.
Unfortunately, whenever I go there, they say that we are out of diesel.
Out of
That's really unfortunate.
And if you're looking for fries, Magla has hands down the best fries in Nast. The
Right.
perfect amount of
I
crisp.
will definitely try. Definitely try.
Okay, so this is also related to food because who doesn't love food, right? So, what dish do you like best at your hostel?
Hostel. I would go for Friday white rice and dal, and there is specific reason. You might be shocked about it because I don't have breakfast on that day, and since first semester I'm having classes from 9 to 1 those days, and like एक हंगर होता है उस वक्त और बंदा हॉस्टल जाता है उसके बाद जाके
और
just
ज़्यादा
find
मज़ा
that
आता है।
those white rice and it's like very tasty
Dal chawal to वैसे
along with the char.
Yeah.
Biryani is like a common thing. Like
Mhm.
you can go C2, C1. You can find it everywhere. Like it's a unique thing.
और दाल चावल तो वैसे बेस्ट देसी comfort food है in my
yeah.
opinion.
And they make it good too.
I've not
Unlike-
tried the dal chawal in our hostel. I will next Friday. अच्छा होता है
Really good.
और राजी का भी अच्छा होता है. आप राजी में हो ना?
Atar one.
अतार वन में. ठीक है.
11:30.
What do you think is the most pressing issue right now, and how would you solve it?
In Pakistan or in
In Pakistan or nationally.
nationally,
Or
the most
internationally as
important
well.
issue. It can be a bit controversial as well because I was involved in it. The relationship between the feminist, anti-feminist, the extremist, the anti-Islamics or the Islamic extremist. I do feel that living in a state like Pakistan, which was formed on the basis of religion, definitely, but also there were certain norms for the non-Muslims as well. But I do feel we as a youth needs to understand that we are not mature or experienced enough to present our idea fully towards any issue, whether it is directly giving a positive link to the feminist or the anti-feminist or the religious scholars or the anti-religious scholar, whatever it is. And one must respect the opinions of the other. And but I do feel that one thing which we do wrong is in any concern, in any issue, we link the religion, which is I do feel is the wrong. And for that we need to have a soul knowledge about the religion first. And also I do feel that वही बात है कि 25-26 साल का लड़का होता है, एक जज्बाती इंसान
बिल्कुल।
होता है, and you just express your emotions, लेकिन उसके बैक पे कुछ और होता है,
हाँ,
आपका अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस होता है. So you need experience first, और उसके बाद like you feel that you are the future of this country. First of all, you need to have the patience, then you should look for your point of view, and one should respect the point of view of every so-called, what we can call it movement, like any movement, whatever it is.
So, Areeb, I'm very direct when it comes to compliments, and I really like how you think because we need more positive people like this here at NUST and more accepting people like this here at NUST because that is the only way we can prosper and progress. Because every opinion matters somehow, be it negative way or be it positive way. It contributes to the society. So what we have to do is we have to tailor it so that is according to our benefit as a whole
Definitely.
society. So, Areeb, do you think you have served humanity in any way?
I have served humanity. Like it doesn't need to have a critical course like community service or certain societies, but if you talk about individual aspect, I have served humanity. Serving humanity doesn't mean to help just the poor. Serving humanity also means you can encourage certain people who are depressed. Serving humanity also means that you help your roommate in a way that he's depressed or he's in a depression regarding anything. Serving humanity also means you encourage people to pursue certain things. Career counseling, it can be career counseling, it can be community service, it can be helping the poor people in any way. So I do feel it's quite a combination of certain things, and which I do feel I've done in a way.
That's
But
really
if
interesting.
you specifically talk about the societies, or I've been the part of, I guess, Chadar during my initial days, and also during first year, जैसे नस्ट का अपना जो होता है community service का, उसमें drug abuse में participate किया था, and during my college days I was a volunteer of Akhubat Foundation as well, and also AFIRM, Armed Forces Institute of Rehabilitation Medicine. There we used to help the rehab persons there as well who were disabled. So in a way, like if you talk about the organizational level, I have done that.
Not in a way, you have done a lot. Yeah. Okay, so moving on.
What are you most proud of right now? It can be related to your work or yourself.
It's quite a complex question, like very difficult to ask. Like proud of myself, like I don't give up. Like this is what I feel. Like I don't say that I've achieved too much. Like even getting marks in FSC or even in the metric, even maintaining the CGPA or some of the achievements like in the form of being selected from the department for intercultural visit to Balochistan during the freshman year. Also being the head of the sports gala from the department, being the mentor of the archery club and the founder treasurer as well. But I do feel what the biggest achievement for me it is that I never give up on things, and I accept the things that I don't have. Like if I feel that I am a normal person, not a genius, I am a normal person, and I will do everything to become the best normal person. Like this is what I do feel is the right thing, and this is what I feel that I've realized during my gap year mostly.
That is an amazing mindset, because when you consider yourself the underdog and you succeed, that is a really good feeling. So moving on to the last of these questions, who is that one person or more than one person whom you give most credit for helping you be who you are today?
First of all, parents, especially my dad. Mainly because after being suffering from the MBBS failure, my dad was someone who motivated me. He wasn't someone who scolded me just because I could not make it to the medical institution, despite the efforts or whatever. He was the first person who motivated me that no need to give up on things. Secondly, other people can be one of my relatives. She's like my elder sister, and she motivated me a lot during every thick and thin, starting from metric to today. Like I discuss everything with her, and she's there to guide me like an elder sister. And the friends, my roommate, he's very cooperative since the start. We have that sportsman attribute with us as well together. And my classmates, we have a group, they encourage me as well. I have suffered certain experiences within the university like that were like very unfortunate for me, and I find that sab khatam ho gaya. But those 4 persons were there for me. Like I would give credit to them.
Well, I must say you have an amazing family and an amazing group of friends.
Definitely.
That is
blessed
very
one.
lucky to
Few,
have.
but
Yeah.
alhamdulillah, the blessed ones.
That is very lucky to have that, especially at university, because at university most people are trying to excel for themselves, but if people take you with them, that is
It depends upon you. Like I said, when you accept yourself as a person that like एक दोस्त मेरा बनना चाह रहा है, मुझे एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा, मैं अपनी गलती एक्सेप्ट कर लूँ, तो देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन इट. जो करेगा एक्सेप्ट वो करेंगे आपको, और उसमें आपको यू हैव टू पुट द एफर्ट्स. लाइक इसलिए फिर अपने ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं चीज़ें.
Alright, so enough of the heavy questions. Let's move on to the never have I ever segment.
The fun part.
Okay, so
Well, some of these questions they might get you in trouble, but we
No
promise
problem.
to defend you as much as we can. Never have I ever snuck out past curfew.
I didn't get it.
Never have I ever snuck out past curfew.
never have you ever been out past curfew? And of course, I have.
I have. The first week of my.
Who
me
hasn't,
in
right?
Nast.
Who hasn't,
Definitely,
right?
it's the most crazy thing here.
Yeah.
I mean, with the QR app taking rounds all around the university, it's nothing less than a mission impossible.
You have to listen 1 hour lecture of Chacha in order to get safe. Simple as that.
Never have I ever had second thoughts about my major.
I have
I have.
many times.
I have.
Like it's
Me
a
too.
normal thing. Like
Everybody does.
Yeah.
I mean, when you're giving your exams and you're like, yeah, it's an easy degree choose kar leta. Never have I ever had a paranormal experience.
No, I have not either.
Both of you?
You have?
Yeah.
What is it?
Well, there used to be some stuff in my house.
Oh, okay.
Didn't really see them or anything, but they did mess with us.
Oh.
Like they stole our stuff just for the lols.
Wow. Yeah, I've heard that happens a lot. Like they would misplace your sugar or your salt or your bread. So that's crazy. So just move on.
Interesting.
Never have I ever been awake for 2 days straight.
I have.
I have.
I have not. Sleep is very important
expected
for
that
me.
You did.
No, sleep is very important for me.
It
Like
should
it's
be.
on certain unfortunate events, like when someone dies
Oh,
in the
yeah.
family, and but if you talk about it, we never,
For exams, never.
never,
I would never.
never.
Never have I ever pressed send and then immediately regretted it.
Yes.
That's
course,
why
man.
WhatsApp created the
Everyone
delete for
does.
everyone.
It's
Everyone
a very
has.
common answer. Like
Everyone has.
Never have I ever gotten very emotional or cried while watching / reading a film or a book.
I'm a very emotional guy.
Yeah, me
Same,
too.
Very
same
honest.
No shame in admitting that.
3 Idiots.
You talk about Mohabbatein, especially the love movies.
The Fault in Our Stars. If you guys have read
course,
that
of
book or
course.
watched
Yeah,
that
yeah.
movie, oh
Yeah,
my
yeah.
god.
Okay.
Never have I ever ratted someone out in Nust.
Let out someone.
Ratted
Ratted.
out.
You
Ratted
told
some-
on someone.
I did.
He's
Just
a good man. You're not a good man.
No, I'll tell you. I was in mess, and you know there's a fixed rule that only 4 people can be around a
Yeah.
table.
Yeah.
So one day we're 5 people sitting around a table, and the mess head comes and he's like, "Utho yahan se kya kar rahe ho? Camera mein dikh raha hai ye aur wo." What happened today is there were literally 8 people
Yeah.
around that table, and I'm like to a waiter, I'm like, इसको देख रहे हैं आप? ये लोग बैठे हुए हैं, हम क्यों नहीं बैठ सकते? And he's like, सर हम क्या कर सकते
So
हैं?
that's true because it gets on my nerves also because
I mean different rules for everyone.
at
Why?
some tables
I mean,
there's
it's my nature. I have a very short temper, guys. So either it's a slap on the face or it's nothing. So that's why I have to control on my emotions.
let's just not mess with Arib Rizwan.
No.
No, now I'm a much different guy.
Never have I ever used flattery to get better grades. Guilty.
No, I have not.
Guilty.
I thought about these days, especially giving exams in hostels.
Oh
but
my god.
Never.
All right. So, Arib, thank you so much for your
Thank you
time.
very much.
That was it. So, at the end, we just like you to participate in our campaign to raise awareness against for our general rights as citizens because a while ago something happened in Islamabad where a boy was shot to death, right? Because we have rights. The police cannot just shoot you. And that and for education should be free for all and should be state sponsored so that more children, half of Pakistan's children do not get to go to school. So if they do, they get to be leaders and they get to lead our nation to prosperity. So for that, we just like you to raise your hand with us and we'll take a picture.
Sure.
So we'll just do it after this. So we'd just like to thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much.
It was an,
You
it
as
was,
Thank you, Arif. It was a very good conversation.
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. It was nice meeting you guys as well.
okay, so we should stop this.